Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm excited to share my thoughts on Rabby Wallet, which is a self-custodial Web3 wallet that's been making waves in the crypto community. So, should you use it or not? By the end of this video, you will have the clear insight for it. So, developed by DBank, the Rabby Wallet is designed to seamlessly connect with over 110 EVM compatible chains. This means that you can manage a diverse crypto portfolio without juggling multiple wallets. One feature that I absolutely love is Rabby's automatic network switching. So when you interact with a decentralized application, Rabby detects the required blockchain and switches the network for you, in which no manual adjustments needed. This has made my interactions with the various dApps smoother and more efficient. Now, security is paramount and Rabby doesn't disappoint. It offers a transaction simulation, allowing you to see the potential outcome before confirming any transaction. Additionally, it provides balance change previews and alerts for risky approvals, helping you to stay informed and protected. Rabby also includes a gas account feature, enabling you to deposit USDT or USDC to cover the gas fees across all integrated networks. This is particularly useful for those who frequently transact on various chains. While Rabby Wallet offers a robust set of features, it currently lacks staking options and fiat on ramps. Additionally, some users have reported that the mobile application can be a bit buggy. However, the team is actively working on updates and I have already noticed improvements in recent versions. Now, after using Rabby Wallet for a while, I can confidently say that it's a strong contender in the Web3 wallet space. Its multi-chain support, user-friendly interface, and the robust security feature make it a great choice for those who are new to the crypto world or seasoned crypto enthusiasts. So if you are looking for a wallet that simplifies your crypto experience while keeping security at the forefront, Rabby Wallet is definitely worth considering. Now, if you want me to create a detailed video for you to getting started with the Rabby Wallet, you can let me know that in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto related content on my channel. Thank you so much for watching.